Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Without wasting further time, I'm going to jump right in and show you exactly how you are going to find the subscribers to your channel. Now this video is going to cover two separate types of subscribers, right? Two separate types of subscribers. Now the first type of subscribers are the people you subscribed to, like the channels you are interested in and you subscribe to them. Now the second version of the subscribers are the people that subscribe to your channel, the people that are interested in what you the kind of videos you are making and subscribed to your channel. So in this video I'm going to cover how to find these two subscribers from your YouTube app, right? So for desktop users, for cell phone users, this video is for you. Watch this video to the very end and you will learn. All right, so let's jump right in and I'm going to show you everything you need to know. Let's go. All right, so we are here in my system. So I'm going to quickly jump right in and show you exactly how you are going to find your subscribers that subscribe to your channel and the people that you subscribe to. So first off, let's start with the people you subscribed to. Okay, so if you open up your channel here in the dashboard of your channel, I'm going to use mine as an example. Don't worry, my numbers are not so great. So if you want to help me improve my channel, just hit on the subscribe button and it will help me improve my channel. So to find people that you subscribe to, right? So you're gonna navigate to the left side. Okay, these three dots, you're gonna click on it. Okay, you are going to see subscriptions, or even if it is like this, you still see subscriptions. You click on subscriptions. Right, so once you click on subscriptions, it's going to open up with all the videos and most recent uploads of the people you subscribed to, right? It's going to open up here, but you're going to navigate to the right here and click on manage. Okay, if you click on manage, you're going to see all the people, the list of the people you subscribed to. Okay, so for me, for this channel, here is the list of all the people that I subscribed to. Okay, the list of the people that I subscribe to. So from here you can pick anyone that you subscribe to their channel. Okay, so this is it. Now, to be able to gain access to the people that subscribe to your channel, here is what you are going to do. So you're going to navigate to the right to the top logo of your channel. You click on it and then you go to your YouTube studio. Right, you go to your YouTube studio. Now, for the benefit of people who are going to access this with their cell phone, all you need to do is to access YouTube with your Chrome browser and switch onto the desktop version. So once you switch onto the desktop version, you can be able to see your dashboard like this, and you're going to access everything you can access with a system with your phone. So once you are in your YouTube studio, you're going to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you're going to see recent subscribers, and this is for the last 90 days. These are going to be your recent subscribers. So you can click on see all. Okay, so you can click on see all. So here you're going to see a list of everybody that are subscribed to your own channel. That is how you're going to find them, right? So I hope this is self-explanatory. Okay, I will see you in my next video. Cheers.